Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Mares XR single tank adapter. So this is, as the name suggests, an adapter that you fit to the back of your backplate to allow it to fit single cylinders, or to give you a more firm attachment point for single cylinders. This is made out of stainless steel, so it's got a decent amount of weight and decent strength to it, and yeah, it's a great way of attaching single cylinders. Let's see how it arrives at your front door. So this is how it arrives. Minimal packaging, always nice to see. You've just got a little cardboard sleeve with the barcode on the back, a couple zip tie cable ties, and that's pretty much it. So if I get rid of those, and there is the single tank adapter. So as the name suggests, this is how you basically attach this to the back of your backplate, and then this creates a nice cradle to hold a single cylinder. With a lot of backplates, it's fairly flat when you get to the back side, so your cylinder can kind of twist and roll around, but if you attach this onto the back of your backplate, you just get a better mounting position. So three separate sort of mounting holes. If I just measure these so that you know, center to center, 28 centimeters, 11 inches from the two farthest, 14 centimeters, or actually, yeah, 14 centimeters, about 5.5 inches between those two. So pretty standard, should be able to mount those to most backplates, but just make sure that you can attach them with some kind of book screw or something. You get these vertical slots, so these will be 2-inch vertical slots. Yep. So you can attach traditional cambands, 3 of them if you really wanted to, but normally one and one at the top, one at the bottom is usually sufficient. If you just had one, you could put it in the center, but that gives you a nice attachment point to clamp your single cylinder in place. Stainless steel, so very strong. You've got XR kind of laser cut out of that, which is pretty cool. And then it's embossed or stamped down at the bottom. But otherwise, yeah, pretty traditional single tank adapter, and yeah, well constructed, nice finish on the edges. Overall, yeah, pretty good traditional single tank adapter. And that's the Mares XR single tank adapter. Yeah, definitely measure the holes on your backplate to see where and how you can attach it, because they don't always line up. You should be pretty safe. 11 inches is a pretty strong, secure, or traditional distance between the top and the bottom mounting points on a backplate, but it's always worth measuring. You've got that central one as well, that might help you out, but yeah, definitely measure it before you buy it. Otherwise, yeah, it's a good, strong, secure single tank adapter, and yeah, it will give you a really strong, secure mount for single cylinders, so it doesn't bend or twist on your back whilst you're diving. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. Just click on the link down in the description below so you can check it out and buy it from us at Simply Scuba. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.